Hi, you are using Discord and want to make your own server? Today I will be showing you how to make coolest and most beautiful Discord server. Alright, let's start. First of all, we will talk about our server topic, like which type of server you are making and what members will do in your server. Try to make that server which are very less on Discord, like advertising servers, giveaways server, etc. First of all, we will create our server. Enter your name on which topic you are making. I am making for my YouTube channel, so I will type being YouTube. After that, click on create. Number 1. Server settings. Before creating channels and categories, first, we will need to set up some basic settings in our server. Go to your server settings, select your region from where you are. Now go to moderation and select at least medium. You can go further if you want, and also enable scan media content from all members, and I will highly recommend you to open 2FA on your server if you have on your account. I don't have, so I will leave it. Number 2. Basic structure. After setting up server settings, start creating your channels and categories. You can make any channel and categories, it depends on your server topic. If you have advertising server, create channels and categories related to other advertising servers, or you can make your own if you don't like other advertising server channels. I am making for my YouTube channel, so I will make my own channels and categories which I want and channels related to other YouTube servers. Try to make more channels for a good server, and also don't forget to join voice channels in your server. Number 3. Extra channels. Try to make some extra channels for your server, like I will make some extra channels about my YouTube. Here I will post my videos suggestions, or any other important thing about my YouTube channel. Number 4. Decoration. Now this is my favorite part. Copy the 2 symbols from the description and paste these around every category as I am doing. It will make your server look more beautiful than before. You can see my server is looking more beautiful than before. Now copy the 2 brackets from the description and paste it at the beginning of your channels. It will make your server look more beautiful and aesthetic. You can add different symbols if you want. I am using this just to show you how to make the coolest server. Not much coolest, but better than many servers. I will highly recommend you to use Cool Symbols website. You will find best symbols in that website. You can see it looks more beautiful than before and look more beautiful than many servers. Now add some emoji between the 2 brackets to make your server more cool. Try to make an attractive server to gain more members and not let them to leave the server. Number 4. Roles. Roles are very important. You cannot grow your server without any roles. There are 3 main roles that you must need to make these, and these are owner, admin, and moderator. Make roles and give them permission related to the roles, like give every permissions to admin and moderator so they can help you growing server, and always try your best to give these roles to your friends or any other trusted member. Different between admin and owner is only one thing, and that is server ownership. And also try to make some roles for members, server boosters, friends, etc. Number 5. Permissions. It depends on you how many permissions you are giving to the roles. You can give permissions to them just by right-clicking on channel, edit channel and go to permissions. If it's hard for you to give permissions in every channel, you can also give permissions from categories. Number 6. Enable community. You can enable it from server settings. Go to enable community and follow my steps as I am doing. After that, click on membership screening. Click on enable membership screening. Type something in the description which you want for new members. Scroll down and click on server rules. You can watch my video if you want a full tutorial. Number 7. Server stats. Invite server stats bot to your server. You will find the link in the description, or you can invite from Google just by typing server stats. After inviting, go back to your server and type as setup. Now type text and wait for the bot to create your server stats. Copy the two symbols from your category and paste in server stat category to make it similar to the server. And also copy the brackets and emoji and paste in stats channels. You can watch my full video about server stats bot if you want a full tutorial on it. Number 8. Bots. In the last I will show you some good bots that you must need to use in your server to make it perfect. MEE6. MEE6 is a multiple bot. I mean, you can do many things on the bot like reaction roles, moderation, music, etc. Carl, if you want to set up reaction roles and verification, then this is the best bot for you. And it also have some moderation commands like ban, mute, auto ban, auto mute. You can easily create giveaways with the help of this bot. Dyno. A fully customizable server moderation Discord bot for your Discord server that features a simple and intuitive web dashboard. Plasma is a multi-purpose bot, giving you enterprise invite management and giveaway creation. Message top, see who the most active people are in your guild. Memes and GIFs pulled from Reddit and Giphy. Arcane, level up your Discord server with the best leveling and multi-purpose Discord bot. Arcane will increase server activity while keeping the server squeaky clean. And yes, I forget to show you the most popular bot that everyone are using, and the bot name is Dank Memer. Dank Memer has one of the most unique and fun currency systems of any Discord bot. With stealing, gambling, bank robbing, unique and funny items, and so much more. By the way, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.